Hi guys, how are you doing today? Welcome to my channel. So, would you like to get noticed by employers whenever you apply for jobs? Would you like your job applications or your scholarship applications to be much more fruitful than it used to be? Then keep watching as I teach you how to easily create a free professional CV, European standard, okay, for beginners. All right. Okay, so this is the CV that I'm going to create for you. Actually, I created this CV today. Okay, so but before I analyze this CV and create a new one for you or teach you how to create a new one, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop content. Okay, so as you can see, I have lots of content. Okay, I have a lot of content already, and I am making more every week. Whether you want to move to Europe or you want to move to US or Canada or United Kingdom, okay, I've made content about how to migrate to those places through various opportunities. Okay, and also please smash the like button on this video. Okay, thank you very much. All right, without wasting your time, let's delve into analyzing this CV. Now, this CV, I created it today free of charge. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you two websites actually. Okay, so now I created this from one of the websites, and so basically this CV is for one person. I've never met this person before. So the person's name is Collins Emeka, a Nigerian. He was born on the 7th of April 1990, and he has various range of kind of skills. So he's a certified accountant. So look at how the bio looks like. So certified public accountant, CPA, with 7+ years of experience in public accounting and financial auditing, looking for an opportunity in a fast growing company to build out best accounting practices and make accounting a competitive advantage within an organization. Now, CPA means certified public accountant. Okay, so basically he started this. I didn't include the high school. Okay, so I just went to the bachelor's degree. He did his bachelor's degree at the University of Abuja from 2010 to 2014, and he got a job. Okay, because he graduated in May 2014. Then in August, he got a job, okay, as a junior accountant actually in diversified plastics. Now, this company might not be necessarily located in Nigeria, but it's just an example, please. Okay, so then at the same time, he started his master's degree also in the Master of Business Administration, majoring in accounting. Okay, which he completed in May 2016. Okay, then he went on to work in this company till August 2016 before getting his dream job, a dream move to become an accountant, like senior accountant in First Bank of Nigeria. So that was in 2016 August, and he's currently in the role. So he has 7+ years of experience as an accountant. Okay, so I'm going to try to create this CV. Also, the skills he has are GAAP, GL accounting, QuickBooks, Excel, auditing, tax accounting, and so on. Then his language skills are writing, English, Igbo language, Hausa language, and the certifications he has, or one certificate he has is a certified public accountant. So I'm going to try to recreate this, okay? So keep watching. Now, what you need to do is that you need to come to Google. So I prefer going to google.co.uk because it's kind of like it makes everything in English for me, right? So if you're from a French-speaking country, you might have your own like dot maybe FR or so, but for English speakers, I recommend this. Okay. Now, so what the first site you need to go in order to create a free, easy CV, okay, without paying, because there are a couple of websites now that are charging money for CV. And I remember that I tried creating CV several times, and they were asking me to pay. So I had to learn how to find out this. Like, I made my research and I tried my best to come out with this so that I can help a lot of people, because I know that a lot of people are having problems with creating CV, and probably they cannot pay, or they don't want to pay to the online website. So this is why I'm making this video, to help you. One of the reasons why I'm making this video. So you go to Europass, you type Europass CV, okay? You type Europass CV and click enter on google.co.uk. Then don't click on this first one, click on this second link, this second one, create your CV, Europass, European Union. It must have this one, screen CV editor. So click on this one. If you click on it, then it's going to take us to where you can edit your CV. Actually, if you have a Europa CV already, so you can see that this is European standard. All right. Now you can edit your CV. Okay, you can edit your CV if you already have a Europa CV. Now, how do you edit it? You come here and click on, import Europa CV. When you click on this one, then you click on this. Then I'm going to import the one I did. So this was the one I did. So open it and click save. Then you can see our CV here, right? The CV, this one I'm just showing you here, the same CV here that I did. Okay. Now, if you want to make a new CV, okay, so let's go back. Let's go back in order to make a new CV. If you want to make a new CV, then where you need to click. Okay, you know what? Let's go back to Google, because I just want us to show you again how to go if you want to make a new. So Europass CV, enter, and the second link, please, always the second link. So if you click on it, the thing is that, right, why I'm showing you this is because I don't want you to start logging in or creating accounts. So you can create this CV without even creating an account. See, I didn't create any account. They're asking me to log in, like they're showing that I should log in here, but I'm not going to log in, because now this website, they have extra security, which makes it like complicated to log in. So you can make your CV without even creating any account. So you get it. So and this is this is a way you can do that. Okay. Now, if you want to make a new CV from scratch, come here and click create new CV. When you do that, just continue. Okay, when you do that, you see that you have a blank CV here. So the first thing you need to do is to upload a picture. So let's try to upload our picture now. Then I'm going to go to that the same picture I used in the other one. Okay, so the picture is here, right? So the picture is uploaded now. Now we need to crop it to make it better. Now, it's always good if you are taking back like a passport photo for educational purpose, or maybe CV or something. I believe it's better to have the head area covering most of the part of the picture. Okay, so, and this is one of an example. Though this one, maybe the head was bigger, but it's just an example. Okay, so we have this already well cropped. Yeah. So what we need to do is to click save. When you click save, then you're going to have your picture uploaded. Now, the next thing you need to do is to write the names and the last name. So if you have two names, enter the first name and the middle name here, and the last name here, or your surname here. Okay, if you have one name, enter one here and your last name here. Now, I'm just going to be copying from here because of time. Okay, just to make it faster. So the first name is Collins. Okay, Collins, and the last name is Emeka. Okay, so now the bio, to write about yourself. Now, if you choose to write this bio, then you just want to attract accountant jobs, kind of jobs. But there's a way you can make your bio in such a way that you can also attract jobs that are not in your field. Like, you just want to be like versatile or flexible. So you see that this one talks about just accounting. So you can just say like, I am a hardworking, or you can just say hardworking person, a team player, those kind of things. For example, let me show you how to make it like general. So you can write like something like a hardworking professional, or a hardworking and dedicated professional, sorry, and dedicated professional, comma, seeking to apply my expertise in your organization. Okay, so you can go on and add like, I am a team player, just a brief something, a summary of who you are, just a brief, in brief. Okay, so this is if you want your bio to be like, you want it to be like you're a flexible person, you can work, you're quite versatile. But if you want to generate this one that we just did, that I just did, or I did before, then I'm going to copy the same bio. I mean, I'm going to copy this one, then I'm going to paste it there. Okay, so remember that you can type, and you can use these ones, like you can make it bold and so on. So you can use these tools here. Okay, look this one. Look, moves it. All right, so you can do anything you want. You can delete. All right, so you can use the tool just like Microsoft Word. Then after you've done this one, the next thing is your date of birth. Now, what's his date of birth? So Collins Emeka's date of birth is, he was born on the 7th of April 1990. So 7th of April. So 7 April is then 1990 is here. Okay. Then what's the gender? Male. Then he's a Nigerian. So you can just type it here and it will bring out the country. Then his email address is, so let me just copy it. Okay, I couldn't copy it. All right, let me just type it. So Collins.emeka at yahoo.com. All right, Collins.emeka at yahoo.com. So the next is the phone number. Okay, so first you need to select whether it's a home or work or mobile or other. So it's better to select mobile. Then the next, let's select the country code. So you can just type in Nigeria here, and you have this here. Then I think Nigerian numbers digit after the 234. I think we have 10 digits, if I'm not mistaken. So let's say 81. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I don't know this number, it's just a random number. Okay, all right. So please don't call the number. Okay, so then after that you go to social media. Which social media do you want to upload? I would suggest that you put in your LinkedIn, because it's more related to job. Also, you can also put in your YouTube channel, about your YouTube and so on. But in this case, I just want to talk about um your Facebook, for example, his Facebook. Okay, so if to put his Facebook, he already has it here. So I'm just gonna have it here, the same, just like in that one. So it's gonna be something like HTTPS. Okay, just like you're putting in a website, then facebook.com/ Collins Maker, then slash. Okay, so we have the same here. Yes. All right. So the next, you remember that you can put more. You can add more. You can add more social media. Okay, if it depends on the one you want, but I just want to make it simple and short. So next thing, you can also add your website if you have a website. Okay. Then for instant messaging, if you want to add your WhatsApp number, you can also add your WhatsApp number, your Skype, your Viber, and so on. Then let's come to address. You can put in your home address or work address or other. So in this case, let's use the home address. Okay. Now his address here was this one, 264 Tafa Balewa Road. So first of all, let's copy that one. Let's put that one here. Then if the address is longer than this place, you can continue here. Then the zip code. So this zip code is not genuine. I don't know if it's genuine. I just created it, okay, just for this video. Then the city, Abuja. Let's say he lives in Abuja, and the country is Nigeria. Okay. Then after you've done everything like this and cross-checked it, then you click save. Okay, so you see you have your intro. All right, you have your intro. Collins Emeka is the name. Actually, it should be 2L in the Collins. So what you need to do if you want to edit, you just need to come here and click on edit. Then let's add the additional L to make it 2Ls. Then you just come here and still click on save. You get it? So we have this here now. Now, the next thing you need to do is to add the next section, which I would recommend that you add after your bio. Okay, you add your work experience, because you're trying to make employers to be wowed. You're trying to wow them and to see that you have experience. So not just education. I would recommend that you start putting the experiences that are more relevant to what you're applying for, the job you're applying for. Okay, or the the ones that you know that you did very well. So you start with your best achievements. Anytime you're creating a CV, don't start with the lesser ones, because when the employer is looking at your CV, that they will first look at those ones before they go to the lower ones. Okay, so let's start with the job. So let's say he worked as an accountant. Okay, um, so junior accountant is the position. So we have to add a new section here, which is work. So we choose work experience, then we add the section. Then the position occupation of held was junior accountant. Then who is the employer? The employer is diversified plastics. Then you enter the employer here. Then the city was Abuja, and the country Nigeria. Okay. Then because he's no longer on this position, you just have to enter the entry and the end date. So let's look at the entry date. He started the job in August 2014. Okay, so August 2014. August is 8 and 2014. Then he ended the position, or he finished the position in August 2016. August 2016, kind of like 2 years there. So August 2016. If you want, you can also add the day, but because a lot of people don't know the exact day that they started. So, but it's easy to know the month than the day, so you can just leave it like this. So that's one thing about this website. Maybe some websites you cannot proceed without adding the day, because I've seen those kind of websites before. You have to add the day, but this one you don't need to add the day. Just with the month, everything is okay. Probably even with the year alone, you can even save your CV and download it. Okay, so we have this already. So next is the main activities and responsibilities. Now, you would like to add this dot, because, for example, these are the main activities. Okay, so let's copy it and paste it here. So let's delete this one, paste it here. Okay, so we can just like come like this, enter, enter. All right. Now, I know that you might have this challenge of this one, this dot now, this particular one, and maybe you don't know how to get it here. So what do you only? Let's say, for example, you're doing it afresh. You're not copying and pasting, and you're putting like accounting skills, for example. Sorry, accounting skills. Now, how do you get these dots? Let me show you how to do it. You can just do it here. If you don't find it in the let's say you're not able to find it in this place, you can just come on Google, right? Then you can just type tick thick dots, right? If you type thick dot, the first website that comes out, click it. When you click it, then it takes you to where you can copy a dot, a thick dot, so that you can paste it there and be able to carry on with your stuff. Come here, copy this. Okay, when you copy it, then you come here and paste it. You see, we have this. Then if you want to type another one, like say selling, then you can come here again and paste it again. Then that's how you can do, you can write more. But because I already have it done already, so I just want to show you because you might come across this challenge when you're creating yours. Okay, so after you've done this already, then you click save. You see that we have this work experience already. Now we have to add another work experience because he has another work experience here, as can be seen here. So the next one is senior accounting role. So accountant in First Bank. So accountant and the employer is First Bank. Okay, so First Bank in Abuja, Nigeria. Okay, now this is start date, and the start date is August 2016. So immediately he left this job, he started accounting job here as a senior accountant. He started working as a senior accountant from August 2016. So you come here, August is 8th, then 2016, select it from here, then 2016. As you can see, he's still working, right? He's still working on the role. He's still, this job is still current. So you can come here and click ongoing. Okay, so in that way, you don't need to enter the end date. Okay, so the next thing is responsibilities. So we do the same thing, we just come here and take copy these ones and paste them here. Okay, so let's make it in such a way that everything will fit in. Okay, and this one. So you see that now we don't have a dot here, so we can just come here and copy this dot and come here and paste it, and we have it. So we have everything the same as here, right? Then after you've done that, you click on save. So now we have our work experiences. Now the next that we need to add is education. So we have to come to a new section, not here, because you're done with work. So you come here and click on this one, then education and training, then enter the section. Okay, then there's something I'm going to show you. But anyway, let's do this one first. Let's do this one first. Okay, so education and training. He did his bachelor's degree in University of Abuja. Okay, so and the the title of qualification awarded was Bachelor of Arts in Accounting, and the organization was University of Abuja. Okay, if you want, you can add the address, but for me, it's like a waste of time. Okay, you want to make your CV short. You don't want to make it very long, so it's better to just remove all these small details, not to add this because they are not relevant. If the employer wants to make a research, they can just Google it. Okay, so and now we have to look at when he started and when he ended. He started in August 2010 and ended in May 2014, almost 4 years. So August 2010 till May 2014, right? Yes, May 2014. So you can just come here and click save. If you want, you can add more details. For example, click on here, it will show you more details. That was what I wanted to show you before. So you could do the same for, I think, the work experience. So field of study, you can, grade, you can enter the final grade, what was the thesis about, and you can discuss more things, the occupational skills you acquired, and so on. And you can go on and on and on and on, but I don't want to go to these ones. Okay, just want to make it simple and short. So you come here and click your save button. So let's say you want to do the same here. Come to this edit. Okay, you can do the same here by coming to more details and provide more details. Okay, but I don't want to do that. I just want to make it simple. All right. Next is another educational training, which was his master's degree, and he did his master's degree in Master of Business Administration in accounting, majoring in accounting in the same university. Okay, from August 2014 to till May 2016, University of Abuja, August 2014 till May 2016. Pretty much almost 2 years. So, okay, so you've done this already, then you click on save. All right. Now, the next section we need to add from this CV is your skills. Okay, so we're drawing closer to the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will get more of this kind of videos every week. All right, and also please click the like button to support me. All right. Okay, so now there are different ways to do this. So you come to new section. Okay, now you can add digital skills or communication interpersonal skills, the conferences and seminars you've attended, creative works. If you have a driver's license, you can add it, your hobbies and interests, honors and awards, management and leadership skills, and so on. Even your publications, projects, volunteered and other. But I just want to make it, I want to customize it and in such a way that it will be flexible for me to add my skills, because some of the skills, like I want to mix my skills in one. I don't want them scattered. And also I want my CV to be short. So I'll come to order. When I come to order, then section title, like I will just write, type skills. Okay. Then add section. Then it is compulsory that I must add a title. So I can just add my skills. All right. So I don't want to enter when I acquired it and when it's, just want to come to the description and describe my skills, and the skills are here. Okay, so these are accounting skills. If you're an accountant or you know anything about accounting, you should be familiar with these words. So the first one is GAAP, which is known as the generally accepted accounting principles. Then we have the general ledger accounting, QuickBooks, Excel, auditing, tax accounting, expense reporting. Okay, so I don't want to add any other thing here, so I can just click on save. Okay, now I want to add another skill, like actually like an award. Okay, so just to make it like a certification. So I want to add this section on my own, certification. So I just put this certifications, then I can just enter this particular one. So it depends on your certification. Now, I'm doing this so that you can use the same principle to create yours. It doesn't matter your field, whether you're a teacher or you're an engineer, a doctor, a nurse, you can do the same, follow the same principle. Okay, but I'm just an example. All right. So you come here and type this, and you have it here. So you come here and click on save. Now, then the last on this website that we're going to do is to add language skill, which you come here, new section, add new section. Then you come to language skills, add new section, then mother tongue English, for example. Okay, English. You can add another one. We can see that he's also Igbo. He speaks Igbo as a mother tongue. Then you can add more other languages like Hausa language. Then in these ones, you need to show your proficiency, like what listening skills. So let me just say is a proficient user, reading skills, proficient user, spoken interaction, proficient user, spoken production, proficient user, writing, proficient user. Okay, just almost C2, which is the maximum. Okay, so you see everything has been reflected here. So guys, you see that we have this CV here. So the next thing you need to do is to check that everything is correct and okay. Remember that you can always edit by just coming to click on this edit button, and it will bring out here and you can edit. And after you've edited, you click save. And if everything is okay, then you click on next here on the right hand side. When you click on next, then it takes us to where you can see different templates. So if you select this template, you can see that your CV will be in this template. If you select this template, you can see that your CV will be in this particular format, in this template. So, but for this video, I want to make it the same like this one. So we select this template. So you can see that it is the same like this one, the same, okay? So yeah, easy way to make your CV, very easy without paying any money to any website. Then you click on, after everything is okay, you click on next. So when you click on next, then you can download your CV easily here, okay? Download your CV. When you download your CV, let me open it for you, show you what it looks like. So you have your CV here. All right, you have your CV. Is it easy? So you have your CV here. Yeah, so that's it about this website. Now, another website that I want to show you how you can make your CV is on Canva. So for this one, you need to create an account in order to use Canva. So Canva is a design website where you can create different things, thumbnail, card, logo, and the rest. Okay. So if you want to create a free CV here, although there are paid ones here, so you just need to come here after you've logged in. Then on this initial after this is on the website is canva.com. By the way, I'm going to put all these links in the description. So I'm going to put the link to this website, Europass, and also this Canva. All right, so you don't need to worry about it. And if you want to know what description is, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you before I end the video. Okay, what description is. Okay, for those who don't know. Now, this one is doc, whiteboard, YouTube banner, YouTube thumbnail. That's not what we want. So what we want is resume. CV is also called resume. So you click on this one, resume. Then when you click on resume, then it's going to bring out different templates on the left-hand side. Then you click on the one you want. Like you have to know the ones that are paid. For example, how to know the ones that are paid is that you will see pro. Let me show you. So I think this one is free. Okay, these ones are free. The ones that I paid, I'm going to show you how it looks like. Okay, you're going to see something like this pro with this crown on it, so you know that it's paid. If you finish editing, you can't print it, you can't download it without paying. Okay, all right. So let's look for the one that is free and use it. Okay, so let's say you want to use I'm just looking for a free one that we can use. Okay, so let's say we use this one. So if we are going to use this one, so let's make it bigger. Okay, so let's make it bigger so that we see it clearly. So you need to come here and remove this picture so that you can add yours. If you delete this one, then you can add yours. So if I want to add picture, I can just come and the same picture that I added in the other one. So kind of come here and add it here. So when you add it here, you will need to adjust it in such a way that everything will fit in. Okay. Wait just a moment. Yeah. So, okay. So you have to put it in the way that such that everything will fit in. So you see, that's fitting here. But you see this picture, the head is not well, so you can just use another one. Okay, until you get the one that will fit in. Normally, if you're using mobile, you'll be able to replace images. So, but I'm using PC. So I can just use this one, for example. I might use this one, for example, and put it here. So this one fits in better. All right. So you come here and edit and write your name. So Collins Emeka. All right. And you can just edit anything you want. Edit, come here, edit anything. So you come here, you see, you can edit, you can do anything you want. You know, you can come here, you can edit this skill and put like marketing. Okay, so you can do anything you want with this, and you can edit anything you want. You can edit anything, and after you've done that, okay, you will just come here. After you've done everything you want to do here, you can also edit the profession or what you do. After you've done everything, then you come and click on this share, right? And click on download. Okay, when you click on download, so you click on this one. Okay, so you have your CV. So you see that it's downloading. So you have your CV downloaded already, and you see your image there. See, just like the other one. So what you just need to do is that whichever one that you want, whichever information that you want to adjust to yours, you just need to come and click on it and edit it and make it yours. Okay, so that's two websites you can make free CVs. So guys, let me know in the comment section below if you have any question, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button. So as I told you earlier, I'm going to put the link in the description. So what I mean by description is that let me open this video in a new uh, window so that I can show you what description looks like. So now this is a video. Okay, so what description means that you come below that video. Okay, so let's say this is the video you're watching now, and after you've finished watching this video, or if you want to follow me, just like I was explaining and be doing at the same time, so you can just click on the like button, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, hit on the notification bell. Then you come here below the video and click on the link here. So this is what we call description. Yeah, so guys, that will be it about this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video helps you to create your own CV finally and start attracting job offers. Okay, and also be able to create compelling CVs that will capture the minds of scholarship boards. Yeah, that's my aim. All right, I want to help a lot of people to be able to do that. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.